Yo, what's going on, guys? Sam here. Today, Apple has officially released the Apple Card to everyone. I made a video a couple weeks ago saying how it was officially in preview and you could sign up using a certain link to try to get to the very front of the queue to get your hands on the Apple Card. But today it's out for everybody, so if you own any iOS device with iOS 12.4 or newer, here's how you get the Apple Card right away. Head over to the Wallet app, tap on the plus right here. As of right now, it looks the same, but when you hit continue, you'll notice there are a couple different options here. It says card type, credit or debit card, and of course the rainbow, super cool looking Apple Card is below. So you want to tap on that. And this is going to guide you through the setup process. Now this works whether you're on the iOS 13 beta, iOS 13 when it comes out, or again, iOS 12.4. You just have to be on one of those firmwares or newer for this all to appear. So I want to show you guys how it actually looks when you set it up, how it works, what you exactly do. You have to enter your actual first name, your actual last name, your date of birth, your phone number. So you have to do all of this. And once you've entered that, it's going to take you to the next page where they ask for your address. You have to enter that as well. They're going to confirm that later for where you want the card actually sent, but that's the address they need for like the quote unquote official billing address. After entering your address, you have to verify your identity, entering your social security number. So of course, they're getting down to the nitty gritty here. They're wanting all of that personal information to actually verify that you are who you say you are. Then they're going to want to know about your annual income. And then sometimes if they can't verify it through all these metrics, after you accept the terms and conditions or decline, because you know, nobody's making you sign up for this card. After all, it is a credit card, and if you don't pay the bill, you're going to owe Apple or Goldman Sachs extra money. They may ask for you to scan a photo ID. Now, this happens sometimes, doesn't happen all the time, but you will have to get out like your driver's license and actually scan it if that is what Apple is requesting. So then once you've done that, scan the front, scan the back. If that pops up, you will see this page right here with your offer. Now, Apple's doing this in a really interesting way. They're going to show you what you're approved for before you're actually approved. So you get to decide whether or not you want to accept your credit limit, your APR, and obviously there are no traditional fees with this card, which is pretty dope. You can accept it and then you get the card, or you can decline it and say no thanks if you don't want it. So here's my information. Here's what I got. You might see something a little bit different. Obviously, this is a video about how to get the Apple Card, so we're accepting this bad boy. We got the Apple Card. It's going to tell you a little bit more about the card and then ask you to confirm your address to receive the physical card. Yes, I'm so excited to see this. I'll definitely be showing it to you guys whenever it comes into my address. And there you go. Once it's done, it is completely blank because you haven't spent any money on it just yet. Now, when you start to spend money, all the different colors for food or online shopping or groceries, depending on what you're spending your money on, the card is going to look a little bit different. So everybody's Apple Card is going to be unique unless you have like the exact same purchasing pattern as somebody else. But I think it's pretty cool. I mean, obviously the main takeaway, even though the rewards aren't like the best in the business here, it's the interface. That's what you guys are quote unquote paying for with the Apple Card. Although getting it and actually receiving the physical card, that is all completely free. You are paying for the convenience of seeing it in your Wallet app, for paying it through the Wallet app, for seeing this great interface, and they did a phenomenal job. Like, just looking at this, I've never felt more in control of my finances than everything broken down by weekly activity, when my payments due. If I don't pay, this is how much interest I owe. I mean, Apple did a great job here, and I really hope this pushes other card manufacturers. Looking at you, Chase, yeah, that's right, we just made eye contact with Bank of America, that they do the same thing because they are so shady in how they do things, and well, I'm just genuinely excited for Apple to maybe push the boundaries here and push the financial sector into a positive direction. Anyway, guys, that is how you get the Apple Card. It is super easy. It is super simple. Apple made it like that because that's how Apple rolls. That's how they rock. And I can't wait to receive mine in the mail. I'll definitely send you guys some pictures over on Twitter at iup_date. So follow me there. And of course, on YouTube when I receive the card itself. That's all for this video. Drop a like if you're excited for the Apple Card, if you're picking one up, and hit subscribe for more Apple news. I've been Sam. Hope you're doing great. I'll talk to you all in my next video.